Hey guys, my name is Tom. In this video, my friend and I are going to teach you some mathematics. Now imagine the following. Penko's over here, and he wants to buy a stereo. And this stereo is $360, okay, at a store. Alright. Maybe he wants to buy a little boom box to put on his shoulder here. Who knows? Okay. Anyway, so it's $360. That's the value of this thing that he wants to buy so he can, look cool. And now, say he's already got $100 saved towards the purchase. So $100 saved. And he has got a little job. I don't know what he does with this job. Maybe he's, I don't know, maybe he tames, mice like this, right? Because some mice are crazy, so maybe he tames them. Anyway, so, and there he earns $8, okay, for each hour of his dangerous work of taming out of control mice. Alright, having said that, let's take a look. The question is this: how many more hours does he have to work to be able to afford that stereo, which is $360? That is the question we have to answer. So we will set up and solve an equation to take care of that has the following form. You've got here the 100 from here that he's already got in the pocket. Then you will take the cost, meaning the $8 per 1 hour, that's his rate of work, payment, multiplied by the additional unknown number of hours, and all of this has to be equal to $360. Okay? So the left side tells you the 100 he's got saved plus whatever money he makes additionally has to be equal to $360. First I write it with units, because then it's more physically meaningful. But after that, you drop the units, so it's not so cluttered. So you'll write 100 plus 8x equals 360. Now we solve this. This is a linear equation, minus 100 on both sides. And then you've got here 8x equals 260. To finish up, you divide both sides by 8. And therefore, we can conclude that x, or the additional number of hours, is 260 divided by 8. Okay? Whatever that comes out to be. So let's take a look at what that is. We've got here 260 divided by 8, which is 32.5. So our friend here has to put in an additional 32.5 hours, okay, of work to get his stereo, which altogether is 360. And this is the basic setup. Okay? And right now, what's another kind of question you might be asked? As things stand, what fraction, for example, of the 360 is the 100 he's already got saved? So what percentage of the 360 has he got saved already? The way to answer that kind of question, imagine this is A, the next part is B. You would take your 100 and you would divide it by 360, you see? And this tells you of the 360 what fraction is the 100. So that turns out to be, when you do the division, about 28%, okay? Which means the rest he still has to save. So he wants a radio for 360, he's got 100 saved. He makes $8 every 1 hour. That means on the left we write this fact that he's got the 100 saved plus whatever money he still has to earn from working some unknown number of hours x, and all of that has to be 360. Subtract 100 from both sides, divide by 8, and x equals 32.5. And that is the solution to the exercise. Thank you for watching, and look, he's smiling because he knows he's well on his way to getting his radio.